In class 11th physics chapter 4 is motion in a plane, and today's topic is projectile. What is projectile? If we throw a body upward but from different direction to the vertical से different direction पे upward body को throw करें, then it moves on a curved path in a plane. The thrown body is known as projectile. As you can see, the bullet fired from a gun moves on curved path. Cannon तोप से गोला छोड़ते हैं, जैवलिन थ्रो करते हैं. How it happens, ये कब होता है? When direction of acceleration is different to the direction of initial velocity. जब ऑब्जेक्ट के एक्सेलरेशन की डायरेक्शन इनिशियल वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन से डिफरेंट होती है. So always here body is moving upward and acceleration is always downward towards earth, so it is different. That is why body moves on a curved path in a plane. Now its path, let a body thrown from O, point of projection, velocity of projection, angle of projection, point of projection, velocity of projection, angle of projection. So it has two components, u sin theta vertical component, u cos theta horizontal component, and it is the peak point. Here v vertical velocity is 0, but horizontal is same, as there is no effect of gravity on horizontal motion, means it is free from acceleration. Now it distance, the some distance traveled by the body after throwing of t seconds. थ्रो करने के t सेकंड बाद ये both direction मूव करती है, upward as well as forward. So we will find both the distances. In horizontal direction, distance traveled by body after t second of throwing. By second equation, s equal ut plus half h square. As there is no acceleration, so 0, and ux is equal to this u cos theta. Similarly, in y direction, uy u sin theta t plus half, and acceleration is now towards downward, so a equal minus g. This. Now we will put the value of t from this equation, x upon u cos theta. Value of t will put here, here and here, and we will get this. So u sin theta upon u cos theta, u is cancelled, and it will become like this: tan theta x minus g by 2 u square cos square theta into x square. And this equation is like y equal bx minus cx square. This is the equation for a parabola. So path of projectile is parabolic. In next video we will discuss its flight time, horizontal range, and maximum height.